观众朋友们，大家好，
大家好，
欢迎收看《极限宝藏》特别栏目。
本期节目我们一共有6位嘉宾，有玉树临风的张彬彬，
有美丽动人的虞书欣，
安的王彦霖，
的何洛洛，
安的王迅，
黄明昊。本期我们来到了鄂尔多斯的库布齐沙漠。
库布齐沙漠，中国第7大沙漠。库布齐为蒙古语，意思是弓上的弦，因为它处在黄河下，像一根挂在黄河上的弦。
根本叫不出来。
And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now.